Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your verification method on DocuSign. Now, by default, this is set up to using your phone number to receive a SMS, which is a 6-digit verification code that you enter right after you log in with your password. So this is like a two-step verification, but you have multiple options that you can quickly choose from. Now, how do you go ahead and change this? Simply click your account on the upper right and click on manage profile. This is going to open up your profile and you want to go ahead and just simply click on privacy and security. There are times when you click on privacy and security and it requires you to re-enter your password, but that's fine. Enter your password and it's going to allow you to make changes to whatever privacy and security features available on the section. Now, you want to scroll down to the verification method section and here you have a bunch of options. The default one is the phone numbers. Then you have alternative email that you could use as well. And you have passkey, which is super fast as well. And I recommend that you can use this because if you enter your password, you can quickly use passkey, which is another 6 digit that you can quickly enter directly from your keyboard. And you don't have to wait for SMS, right? So you can add a passkey here and use as well. You have a security key that you can use. This is a physical security key to verify your identity, while you also have the authentication app or the authenticator app. This is commonly used when you're using two-step or two-factor verification to basically set it up. So that could be authenticator app or whatever. You have the Microsoft one and you also have, for example, Google Authenticator. So you can choose whichever one you want and you can set up this option as well. Pretty straightforward. You download the app, you'll be able to even scan a code and or enter the code directly from the app and you set it up this way as well. Go ahead, just keep in mind that it's better to use just one and not multiple, and once you select one you can remove the other one as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can easily change your verification method on DocuSign. Very easy and very simple.